Welcome to this tutorial. How to reclaim hard drive space by shrinking Windows 10. Are you running out of space on your Windows 10 computer and wondering where all that storage went? In this video, we'll show you how to shrink Windows 10 and reclaim hard drive space easily. Let's get straight into the steps and reclaim your precious storage space. Press Windows+I to open Settings. Click on System. Select Storage from the left menu. Turn on Storage Sense if it's off. Click Configure Storage Sense or run it now. Choose how often you want Storage Sense to run. Set temporary file deletion preferences. Scroll down and click the Clean Now button. Open Settings again. Go to Apps. Click Apps and Features. Sort apps by size. Uninstall unused or large apps you don't need. Press Windows+R, type cleanmgr, and hit Enter. Choose the drive you want to clean. Click OK and wait for the scan. Click Clean Up System Files. Select the drive again. Check all boxes, especially Windows Update Cleanup and Temporary Files. Click OK, then click Delete Files. Press Windows+R, type temp, and press Enter. Delete all files in the folder that opens. Again, press Windows+R, type %temp%, and press Enter. Delete everything in that folder too. Now your system should have significantly more free space and better performance. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.